Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Taking care of your body doesn't always require intense workouts or complicated routines. Sometimes, simple and controlled movements can have a powerful impact, especially when it comes to improving circulation, flexibility, and overall pelvic health. The pelvic region plays an important role in supporting posture, stability, and blood flow throughout the lower body. When the muscles in this area become tight or inactive, it can affect how efficiently your body functions. In today's routine, we'll walk through a series of easy, beginner-friendly exercises designed to gently activate these muscles and encourage better movement. These exercises are low impact, meaning they're suitable for most fitness levels and can be done right at home without any equipment. Here on Health Fact 10M, we focus on practical, realistic ways to support your health naturally. So take your time, move with control, and let's get started step by step. 1. Butterfly flaps. This exercise helps open up the hips and activates the inner thigh muscles. When these areas become more flexible and active, it can support smoother blood circulation in the pelvic region and reduce stiffness. How to do it? Sit on the floor with your back straight. Bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees fall outward. Hold your feet with your hands to stay balanced. Now gently move your knees up and down in a slow, controlled flapping motion. Keep your chest upright and relaxed. Continue for about 30 seconds. 2. Glute bridge. The glutes are key muscles that support the pelvis. Strengthening them can improve stability and assist healthy blood flow through the hips and lower body. How to do it? Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Keep your arms by your sides. Press through your heels and lift your hips upward. Squeeze your glutes at the top, then slowly lower back down. Repeat 12 to 15 times. 3. Cat-cow stretch. This gentle movement improves flexibility in the spine and pelvis while encouraging better circulation and supporting nerve function in the lower back. How to do it? Start on all fours with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Slowly round your back upward, then reverse the motion by lowering your belly and lifting your chest slightly. Move smoothly between these positions for about 30 seconds. 4. Pelvic tilt. Pelvic tilts strengthen the deep core muscles and support the lower abdomen, helping improve stability and overall movement in the pelvic area. How to do it? Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat. Tighten your core and gently tilt your pelvis so your lower back presses into the floor. Hold briefly, then relax. Repeat 12 to 15 times. 5. Child's pose. This relaxing stretch releases tension in the hips and lower back, allowing the body to recover while supporting natural blood flow and relaxation. How to do it? Kneel on the floor and sit your hips back toward your heels. Stretch your arms forward and lower your chest toward the ground. Rest your forehead down and breathe slowly for 30 to 40 seconds. 6. Frog crunch. This movement activates both the core and inner thighs, which are closely linked to pelvic stability and overall lower body function. How to do it? Lie on your back and bring the soles of your feet together, letting your knees open outward. Place your hands behind your head. Lift your shoulders slightly using your core, then lower back down. Perform 12 repetitions. 7. Bridge hip abduction. This exercise strengthens the glutes and hip stabilizers, helping improve control and support in the pelvic region. How to do it? Lift your hips into a glute bridge position. While holding the bridge, slowly move your knees outward, then bring them back together. Keep the movement controlled. Do 10 to 12 repetitions. 8. Bent leg side kick. Kneeling. This movement targets the outer hips and glutes, improving balance, stability, and overall coordination in the lower body. How to do it? Start on all fours. Bend one leg at a 90-degree angle and lift it out to the side. Raise it until your thigh is parallel to the floor, then slowly bring it back down. Perform 10 repetitions on each side. Building a healthier body doesn't happen overnight, but small, consistent efforts can lead to noticeable improvements over time. These simple exercises are designed to gently support your body by improving flexibility, activating key muscles, and encouraging better circulation in the lower body. The key is to focus on proper form, controlled movement, and staying consistent with your routine. Always listen to your body and avoid pushing beyond your comfort level. If something feels uncomfortable, take a break and adjust as needed. Over time, these small daily habits can help you feel more active, balanced, and confident in your movement. At Health Fact 10M, our goal is to bring you easy, practical health tips you can actually use in your daily life.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.